Whoa, we've got, what colour is this one, Marley? Yellow square. Yellow square. Here we go. We've got, what shape's this one? Triangle. It's a turquoise triangle. And here's a green triangle. And we've got a yellow square. And we've got an orange square. And a pink hexagon. Pink hexagon. There's a red hexagon. Oh, now we've got another red hexagon. And a pink hexagon. And we've got an orange square. And we've got a turquoise triangle. And a green triangle. Oh, we haven't done the circle. You've saved the circles till last.
No,
Can we see the circles come down? Roll the circles down. Oh, roll them down. Can you roll them down here? Roll them down. Here comes the, whoa, blue circle. Here comes another one, another blue circle. Whoa, blue circle. And a turquoise circle. And another turquoise circle. Oh, and a car. Oh, you better watch out, shapes. Oh!